Hey, I'm Gunnarolla and Ontario Beef is back with a new challenge. I've teamed up again with Ontario Beef to find the Ontario Beef BBQ Battle champion. Who will it be?
Today we're going to be doing some epic surf and turf kebabs. This is the star of the show. Ontario Beef grass-fed tenderloin. Look at that. That is what we're talking about.
We're gonna start with this beautiful Ontario Beef tri-tip. I'm using 2 of my favorite barbecue rubs. Then we're gonna crank it up to 400 and sear it off with chimichurri. There's only one thing left to do.
Today, we're gonna show you how we make our flamin' flank steak floaty.
We prefer to toss our flank steak with the marinade after it's cooked versus before.
Spoon over some of the fresh mango salsa.
Tastes so good.
Smoked prime rib sandwich with white cheddar beer sauce.
I put this baby on the barbecue for 8 hours at a temperature of 325 with charcoal and wood chips until I hit an internal temperature of 125. Top it off with that beer cheese sauce and oh my stars.